Hello, welcome to Letham Trading. Now we are going to see Nifty end of the day analysis and the trade setup for tomorrow. See today's graph. What we discussed in the Nifty trade setup yesterday. If the market opens gap up and if it takes support at L4, will go long. And we have a doubt like whether Bank Nifty or Nifty will take support at H3. That is what we discussed yesterday. Since the CPR is outside CPR and the Bank Nifty graph inside CPR, there will be a breakout. It was predicted yesterday in our trade setup, right? See, Bank Nifty, it is an inside CPR and we are ready for the breakout. And what we discussed, the market may come for a retest at H3. So how can we predict that the market is coming for retest? And why don't we take trade here after 5 minutes candle closing? Yes, you can take trade after this first 5 minutes candle, but your stop loss will become big. If you are an option trader, your stop loss will get hit. So after this first 5 minutes candle closing, see the first 5 minutes candle is a bullish pin bar. So with that first 5 minutes candle, we will confirm that the market is taking support at H4 and will go long. But when we go long, observe the Bank Nifty. Correlation between the Bank Nifty and Nifty is very important while trading in the live market. Okay, the first 5 minutes candle in the Bank Nifty is bearish candle, right? So that is what made me to wait for some time before taking trade after first 5 minutes candle closing. Since it is a bearish candle, if it is a bullish candle and it took support at H4, then after the first 5 minutes candle closing itself I can go long. But what happened in the Bank Nifty, it was a bearish candle in the first 5 minutes candle. So I waited for the graph to come near H3. This is H3, right? So I was sure that Bank Nifty will definitely come for retest up to H3. So the time when the Bank Nifty reached H3, that is the time where I took long at Nifty, right? So your stop loss, not even a single point will go down if you take trade here at this point. Why I took here at this point only? Because the Bank Nifty has already reached H3. So it may take support at H3. That is what we discussed, and it exactly took support. Why we are predicting that the market will take support? Why don't it break Bank Nifty this H3? Because it's an inside CPR, right? Since it is an inside CPR, H4 breakout will be possible. If we go short here at this point, it is not indicating in the Nifty first 5 minutes candle is indicating bullishness, but it is coming for the retest. That is what we need to observe here. And this is a candle where you can take a long position, and the target will be up to H5 or according to your risk reward ratio, or you can trail your stop loss. If you are confident about your trade, then only trail your stop loss, right? See, the market has moved almost 250 points from our level. See, here the market consolidated, right? If you miss to take trade here, and if you see this long candle, if you go long here at this point, the market may come down. So consolidation and the 20 EMA, near to 20 EMA is the best place to take. Again, if you missed here, if you miss trade here at this point, fear of missing out will happen to you, and you may enter the trade here at this point. Of course, the Nifty has not came down, but sometimes it may come down. So trading at what is this yellow line, this 20 EMA is the best place to take a trade. See, it has consolidated for some time and it has came near 20 EMA. That is the place where you can take a call position if you miss the first thing. See, if you have traded at the first setup, you don't take any trade, though it is rallying. Taking one trade is enough in a day. And see, the market again moved a lot, right? There is nothing to discuss today's graph because we already discussed yesterday. This is what is going to happen, and it happened clearly. See, and there is only one trade we can trade here, though it is giving us a good rally. Also, we'll trade only once a day, so we'll move on to the next day, that is 22nd trade setup for tomorrow, right? See, the CPR is a average CPR. It's a average to wide CPR, right? And since it is a rally today, there may be H3 to L3 reversal possible tomorrow, or if market opens here at this point with one or two candles, if it reaches the CPR, it may again go for rally. That is what you need to observe in the live market. And if market opens between H3 to H4, and if it cross again H4, then definitely go for long, and don't trail your stop loss. Your target should be up to H5 only, because the CPR is wide. And it see, at H5 it may take a reversal and it again reach H4. It may be possible because it is wide CPR. Moreover, H3 to L3 is possible. From top CPR to H3, it's almost 100 points. So 100 points booking is enough for us to book, right? And tomorrow, remember, tomorrow is Wednesday. Don't immediately jump into the trade. Observe the market. If and only if it cross H4 only, go for after first 5 minutes candle closing trade. But if market opens between this range, then definitely observe for some time. This is the previous day high, right? So between these 2 points, it may again come to the same level and it may fall again. So you should be careful while trading. And if the market opens between L3 to L4, and if it cross L4, then depending on the price action, if it is below L4 or L3 to L4, a clear price action, you need a clear price action. If you are confident about the trade, then only trade if it is L3 to L4 or L4 breakout. Thank you. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe to our channel.